The 2025 Mazda CX-30 is a compact crossover SUV that blends performance, style, and advanced technology. Designed to meet the diverse needs of modern drivers, it offers a range of trims and features to suit various preferences and budgets. Under the hood, the CX-30 comes standard with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking enhanced performance, Mazda offers a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine delivering up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when using premium fuel. Both engine options are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system is standard across all trims, ensuring optimal traction and handling in various driving conditions. The CX-30 is available in several trims, each offering a unique set of features. 2.5S. This base model starts at $24,995 and includes essentials such as LED headlights, an 8.8-inch infotainment display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and an 8-speaker audio system. 2.5S Select Sport. Priced from $26,650, this trim adds black heated side mirrors with integrated turn signals, 18-inch black metallic alloy wheels, dual-zone automatic climate control, and rear privacy glass. 2.5S Preferred. Starting at $28,940, the Preferred trim enhances comfort with heated front seats, an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat with memory function, and a power-sliding glass moonroof. 2.5S Carbon Edition. At $29,940, the Carbon Edition stands out with exclusive polymetal gray exterior paint, red leather-trimmed seats, black metallic 18-inch alloy wheels, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. 2.5S Premium. Beginning at $32,140, the Premium trim offers luxury features like leather upholstery, a Bose 12-speaker premium audio system, adaptive front lighting system, and a power liftgate. 2.5 Carbon Turbo. For $32,940, this trim introduces the turbocharged engine, black metallic 18-inch alloy wheels, exclusive zircon sand metallic paint, and terracotta leatherette trim sport seats. 2.5 Turbo Premium. Starting at $35,340, it includes features like a larger 10.25-inch center display, heated steering wheel, and frameless auto-dimming rearview mirror. 2.5 Turbo Premium Plus. At the top of the lineup, this trim is priced at $37,150 and offers advanced safety features such as a 360 degrees view monitor, smart brake support, reverse,